I want to talk about stuttering in the game Off the Grid. I know some of you guys are playing games and it's just so laggy, right? And you're like, what's going on? So it turns out for me, this is what you need to do. Okay. The first thing you want to check out is making sure that you have this setting on here under, I believe it's interface. That way you can kind of see how things are performing. Performance matrix, make sure that's turned on so you can actually see the frame rate and the ping. Just make sure there's not the internet and who else, what other things that might be happening. The other thing you want to check out is going to Event Viewer in your Windows, and whenever you see that feel that stutter, you'll see the actual message of what's going on. Okay, my stuff is now fixed. It turned out it was the Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi, and I know that for me, I can't really connect via Wi-Fi, so I currently have I'm connecting via LAN directly to my router. And so what I did was I actually disabled the Wi-Fi connection. And the way you want to do that is once you find out what device is causing that, uh, there'll be you want to just kind of disable that device. So for me, I think I disabled the Bluetooth here. No, it looks like my Bluetooth is working. If your Bluetooth isn't working, if you notice that you have some connections back and forth between your mouse and keyboard, if it's not connecting properly connecting, then you might want to update some of these Bluetooth drivers, and that'll help too. For me, it turns out it was my Wi-Fi. So looking at my Ethernet, where's my Wi-Fi stuff? Networks adapters here. I have several Ethernet adapters. I have one where it was is using my Ethernet controller, so I'm connected directly. Okay. So what I did was in my control panel, I think my settings here, I actually ended up disabling the Wi-Fi since I connect directly. So my Wi-Fi is turned off, and that made a huge difference on the stuttering. So I'll show you. I can't really show you before because I got it fixed, but I don't want to turn it back on and then, whatever. So you're gonna take my word for it. Try it for yourself. Turn off the Wi-Fi if you're connected directly to by Ethernet, and then go ahead and join the game. You'll be able to see performance is way better. I have everything maxed out my settings. Uh, Here I have ultra. I'm using a RTX 4090. Everything's ultimate performance, ultimate to everything. And just kind of let it load for a little bit. I mean, initially when you load, you might see a little bit of lag, but you won't see this mouse stuttering. Okay, let's go and get that going here. Drop right in. A whole lot smoother, a whole lot playable. You can see the upper right, about 64 frames per second. Sometimes it might go up to 100. And then I think I saw a little drop here when it loaded to 33, but other than that, you kind of see it's a lot smoother, a lot more playable. So I'll let it run for a bit, you kind of see it, and then I'll cut it off. Still about 70 frames per second. I'm not in the hundreds or 90s, but you'll see that once the game starts and everything loads, I'm up to 85, 95. You look at the upper right, it's about 70 frames per second now. You can look at my settings here. Under video, everything's unlimited, ultra on, everything's on, boost is on, everything ultra, 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 okay? So let's go ahead and drop in now, see where everyone's at. They're all up there, so let's go ahead and play. So hopefully that helps you guys to optimize your settings. I'm gonna go get that hex driver there.
Teardrop op initiated. Objective: locate the hex and extract it using a hextractor. Check your map for details.
Enemy down.
Configuring drivers. The painkiller drone arm installed. The kinetic shield arm installed. Establishing connection. The painkiller drone arm installed.
Enemy down.
Teardrop op completed. Reward granted.
Green hex, let's go get it. Oh, pumpkin hex. Alright, let's go with the pumpkin hex.
Let's go there.
Teammate has acquired a hex.
Enemy down.
Totally agree.
Got no limbs yet. Yeah, you can see a lot more smoother. I don't have any glitches. It's great.
Be advised, teammate has acquired hex device. Missile strike incoming. Teammate system acquired. Armor plates at maximum supply. Extraction initialized.
Enemy down.
Hex extraction initiated. Wounded teammate detected.
Oh, what's going on here?
Hostile mirrors over there. Never mind.
Be advised. Armor fully stocked. Hex extraction hack detected. Extraction successful.
Enemy down.
Hex extraction disrupted. Stay alert. You've being tagged by a hostile cyber limb. Armor fully loaded. Teammate revival advisable. Teammate death detected. Teammate revival needed ASAP.
Enemy zero-sided.
Teammate eliminated by enemy.
Oh no. Alright, so that's that right there. If really with my team though, I may die already. Alright, so there it is. Yeah, I think I was having some problems because I was record. But yeah, it's definitely a lot better.